28's area.
No, you want the radio.
Okay. Oh, this. You want this. I want this. Alright.
There you go. Hey, come here.
28's area.
Basically, female inhaler person.
I have no idea. Did you get the printout?
I didn't. There's no printout. So. No, it's trouble breathing.
Yeah, there's a wagon going. Look at the weather.
Yeah, that sucks. All right. So 8626.
Kelso Terrace.
Okay. Right now.
Woodfield and Emery Grove. We good?
Oh, sorry. I'm chewing gum. I need to spit it out, don't I?
Did you get this en route?
Nope. I'm getting it right now. Got it.
Okay, very good. We'll make it a good test. All units approved. Yeah, this is responding to inland 495, current paramedic engine 7 of 7. 1310, nothing found. Units may go on service. 1746. Paramedic engine 7 of 700. Just come upon us. This happened.
Sure is nice out.
Yeah.
Or in the high note, thank you, Montgomery. Birmingham on 741 Bravo.
Jeez.
Birmingham paramedic engine 7 of 7 here, the vehicle description. Okay. Birmingham on 741 Bravo.
You know where we're going?
Yes.
Okay.
Now my thing is being like retarded.
It's all the way down. I think it's a right on Emery Grove.
Right on Emery Grove?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Everyone 708, your message. Ambulance 708, you have one car out at this time. this sounds more like an event than okay, 17.
Today it's either pouring or no rain at all.
I know.
And nothing in between.
Yeah.
Place your other units to service. We're going to push the vehicle off the roadway to the right-hand shoulder, mile marker 31.2, alternating mechanically to the tow truck. Correct? We're okay. So you do not need an EMS unit there, correct? That's correct. No injuries to the patient. Okay.
Hello. That's what you gotta look like 4 times.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Doc. Jesus.
You mean
I missed it. I didn't hit it.
oh, it's good. Because they're too cute.
I know.
Right? Oh, so you think they're cute. Oh, it's your little feminist like from your kids. So, Emery.
I gotta go straight here, which is gonna be fun.
Okay, now it stopped raining, sort of.
I can probably get through this way. Let's do this.
Now, is our wagon coming?
No, it's 28.
Okay. Why did you lose speed just obnoxiously?
Some of the paramedic agents 707, yeah, Maryland State Police in around 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I got a police car and a state highway truck pulling up right now. Just continue to hold it momentarily. Okay, 1750.
Here, you want to use this and direct me in?
Yeah, oh, I have mine is working.
Oh, you got it now?
Yeah. So right onto Emery Road and left on the watershed and then right up to Kelson.
Awesome.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Left onto watershed right here.
This left?
Yes. This left. And then right onto Kelson. Did we come here? Oh, we didn't come in last.
What are the numbers on Kelso?
It's 8626.
There's a wagon. Eight, 6, 2, 6 at the end.
Okay.